Rob, are you going to do score?
Yeah, I'll do score.
Okay.
Yeah. Or time.
Time.
I thought it was guns and ammo.
No, I think it's block automatic pistol.
Video. Are you going to want to stand on this side then?
What's that?
Time, stand on this side so you're not in the camera.
Good idea. Okay. Load.
Shooter ready.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Three. Get all the sand in your gun. Clear.
Never shot my gloves off. You take them off. Oh, you're cold. You're not taking the gloves off.
Did you build that?
Okay, ready.
Partial.
Stand by.
I have a thumb hole stock. And I got it. And I put the barrel and everything. Put this on, the trigger, sights, redid the bolt and everything.
Pretty much.
So yeah,
Close, but yeah.
I didn't bore the barrel.
No. I do want to get a different, I want to get an ultralight barrel and then put a compensator on the end.
Oh yeah.
Clear.
Okay, you load.
Shooter ready.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Three, two. Clear.
This was the setup we had at the last shot I did. I had this trigger in, the sear, and the hammer malfunctioned. So it's going full auto. So I got a bunch of 30s on my time, and luckily I said, you know what, I need to go change out, put the stock trigger back in, so they let me do it. But I shot crap with the rifle on the stage.
Where else do they shoot this?
They did a northern New York rimfire shoot up at Sackett's Harbor.
Okay, give me a load.
Oh, and they only did it once.
Once a year. They do a little couple of practices. I didn't hear about the practice rounds though. So. Ready.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Catch
375. Clear.
They also do it down in Pennsylvania, New Jersey.
Especially if you're not moving around and shooting it.
So you went to the one upstate?
The last 2 years I went upstate.
Yeah.
First door prize first year was the green stock. Second year was the Bigger Mark III 2245 pistol. Everyone that shows up for the $15 entry fee got a door prize.
Wow.
So
Cool.
they had a bunch of like hats, koozies, loaders, magazines, guns, stocks, trigger kits, gifts, coupons to order stuff off Midway and stuff. So.
All right. Load.
Worth a $15 entry fee.
Oh yeah. Sounds it.
Yeah, for sure.
Problem up here is all that sand. You gotta make sure you wash it well.
Well, if you tumble it,
Ready.
that'll
Shooters ready. Stand by.
Tumbler media.
328.
Are you shooting a 40?
I shoot 40 heavily.
Last round coming.
I guess part of it is my favorite.
Clear.
Well, 45, but I like the 5.
So what are the winners shooting?
This is one of those
Time.
LCI.
This last year, first year I did it, I had total different guns. I actually had a 2-power scope, so my time's slower trying to find the target.
But I practiced.
I finished 8th overall.
Reduce load.
I think last year the times
I got hydro shots.
right around 116 seconds, 116 seconds for all 4 rounds. I don't remember what I got. This year I finished 4th overall, but the winner time was like there was a 20-second gap. So I don't know, like with the timers, if they maybe had a problem and just didn't realize it and wrote down the times. But there's like, without seeing it, you can't say, oh, that guy, outshot everyone.
Okay. Ready. Final
But
stage.
I think it was still right around one. It was almost the same targets as the year before, so I think it was like 116 and then.
And I went over to his house. It was one afternoon. They started shooting the shit, and I was telling him how I carried my
Ready.
model.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
He says,
326. There you go. That was your fastest.
No,
Nope,
second.
322.
So that's my last round.
Yep.
Clear. Box it.
better than having nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, 22 is better than nothing.
22 is better. And I continually shoot that model. Then he put that out.
Well, I don't know. I figure in terms of personal protection,
All right.
plenty of them.
I was gonna say, what the was that?
It's a bigger round.